Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check the manufacturing date of your LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. The manufacturing date of your laptop is located on the label on the bottom side of your laptop. So if you just turn your laptop around and take a look at the label we have right here, which I cannot properly show you because I cannot adjust the angle properly, you'll be able to see your manufacturing date right here. And for me it's 18th of September 2024. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.